How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Arc Raider's GPU crash. So there's a lot of things that we have to unravel. For example, there could be something like missing files, corrupted files, you have outdated drivers, under voltage, and many more. So in order to summarize this down, the first thing that you want to do is to check whether you have a corrupted game. Head over to Steam or to Epic Games, and in here you could just right click on Arc Raiders, head over to manage, click on head over to properties, click on installed files, and just make sure that you verify the integrity of game files, making sure that you have installed the game correctly, enabling us to basically run the game smoothly. Right after, the easiest way to fix this problem is to simply update your drivers. So just head over to your Google, and here you could simply search for something like AMD or NVIDIA drivers. In my case, I'm using my NVIDIA right here. So I'll just simply head over to the NVIDIA drivers option, select the right model that you were using, and from here, just update it to the latest version. This enables us to play the latest games that's supported with the drivers that we are using, basically minimizing the chances of our game crashing. Right after, if you're willing to get into the nitty-gritty, I suggest using something like the MSI Afterburner, and from here you could try to overclock or undervolt your GPU, but this is going to be a little bit complex, so it needs another tutorial in order to do so. But generally, that's how you fix this problem. Just make sure that you don't have a corrupted game file and you have updated your graphics drivers to the latest version. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.